How to redeem a Steam gift card. So that's super simple. All we have to do is load up the Steam application here. We can do this from the website as well, but I'm going to show you from the application. And then from the top, we want to click on games, and we will see this option to redeem a Steam wallet code. So that's actually the option that we need. So just click on it, and it's going to look like this. Enter your Steam wallet code to add funds to your Steam wallet. If the gift card you attempt to redeem is not in your currency, it will automatically be converted. If redeemable in your region, not all gift card currencies can be redeemed in all regions. So here you will just type out the Steam wallet code or the gift card code. The gift card is going to look like this here. And if we click on continue, then if you are able to redeem it, it will be added to your balance here on Steam. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.